In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign out of all devices in Grammarly step by step. This is a really useful process if you've logged in on a public computer, shared a device, or simply want to make sure your Grammarly account stays secure across every session. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to remotely sign out from every device connected to your account in just a few clicks. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to grammarly.com. Once the site loads, sign into your Grammarly account using your usual login details. If you're already signed in, you can go straight to the dashboard. The goal here is to get into the main account area where your device settings are stored. After you're signed in, look at the left-hand navigation menu. On the left side of the screen, click on Account. This will take you to the main account settings area where you can manage your profile, subscription, and connected devices. Next, in the account section, click on Settings. This is where Grammarly keeps the options for managing your account preferences and security-related controls. Once you're in Settings, you'll want to find the section specifically for devices. Now click on Your Devices. Here, Grammarly will show you the devices that are currently connected to your account. This is a helpful place to review where your account has been used and make sure there aren't any active sessions you don't recognize. To sign out everywhere at once, click Sign Out on All Devices. Grammarly will then log your account out of every connected device session. That means any browser, laptop, desktop, or other device currently signed in will be disconnected, and anyone using your account will need to sign in again. This is especially important if you've used Grammarly on a shared computer or if you've changed your password and want to make sure every old session is closed. It's also a smart security habit to use whenever you're finishing up on a device you no longer control. And that's it. You've now signed out of all devices in Grammarly. It only takes a moment, but it can make a big difference in keeping your account secure. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more quick how-to videos, and I'll see you in the next one.